I'm doing another line renovation and try to start fresh. So I'm not gonna upload this video till I start having germination, at least 2 weeks in germination. So we got Uncle John here with his tractor. The footage you saw before. We got the landscape rake and the tiller. So we got about 3 inches of rain last night, so it shouldn't be that bad tilling. So yeah, we'll see how this goes. And I'm adding 4 more zones for irrigation, so a total of 54 heads. Yeah, 54 heads. So it'll be good. So I didn't end up needing a tiller. The landscape rake, because it rained so much last night, is getting up all the dead grass and leaving the yard out. So if I don't know, I would have saved a little money by leaving the tiller, but it's good to have it anyways. It won't that bad because I get a discount on my job. So happy with it. So I am back. Had to go play for a concert, well, slash and a past anniversary at my church. So we got about 26 yards of topsoil right here. Cow manure and screen topsoil mixed together. Spread it out about 3 to 4 inches thick. Can fill it in all the low spots and stuff. So everything's looking all nice and thick and pretty. That's this side. And Uncle's come back with a tractor, so we go ahead and finish this right here on this side. That's all up on that side. Build this side up here, right up here is low, so I'll build this up. So tomorrow, what I'm doing is putting irrigation systems out tomorrow, along with connecting to the main city pressure through the water valve box right there, so we can get better pressure for the sprinkler systems. not gonna go in great detail about installing the irrigation system, how to put it together. You can look back to my previous video to see how you do that. But in this time, I hooked up to the main water supply from the road to increase my gallons per minute and water pressure. I bought these boxes from Home Depot and made my own PVC manifold. I still use the Rainbird sprinkler timers for the sprinkler systems, and also I had bought 2 Orbit sprinkler systems, well, kits rather, to because the Rainbird systems were sold out. I guess everybody caught on from my video how you can make your own irrigation system cheaper with using Rainbird products. So that's how I did that. This picture right here is 1 week after germination using GCI Turf Type Tall Fescue. And during this time, we had the Hurricane Ida hit, so a lot of washout came. This is the 2nd week after germination. As you can see where the arrow pointing at, they had the sprinkler system in the front, the zone up front, overlapping way too much, so it's beating spots to just pure dirt. So I adjusted the sprinkler heads and got those situated and fixed, and hit them with the lawn weasel. On this side, I had a lot of bad washout, a lot of rain. The hurricane weather the rain was so bad. Right here is week 3 in this picture. The grass is starting to get more thicker. And still that bare spot. And this is still week 3. That's the other bare spot on the side of my house. Right here, the picture coming up is some turf damage that I had happen. While I was at work, somebody turned my driveway and turned the wheel right here and backed down my driveway. This picture right here is week 4 after germination. Those bare spots did fill in. I did a lot of spot seeding and stuff, so all those areas did fill in. This is my first cut at week 4. The grass started to get 5 to 6 inches tall. I cut it to 4.5 inches because the grass started to lay over, so I went ahead and cut it for the first cut. So this is week 4. Excuse the lines. The lawnmower was going everywhere. I was trying to dodge my little sprinkler head flags. And this right here is week 6 after germination. All the bare areas did fill in. I did a lot of spot seeding, like I said before. Only problem I'm having is right beside the edge of the road. Those areas will take a little longer to fill in, but the seeds are growing. Overall, I'm very ecstatic how everything came out. This is the second lawn renovation I did. Everything came out better in the springtime. The backyard is coming in great. It's going a little bit slower because the soil in the back is very sandy. So I think it's kind of hindering the growth, but I did hit it with another application of humic acid and RGS and another round of starter fertilizer, and it's coming up quicker now. But overall, like I said, I'm very ecstatic how everything came out. I used GCI Turf, Turf Type Tall Fescue, and some regular contractor mix to fill in some bay areas, and a tiny bit of ryegrass, very tiny bit, just to get a fast germination for the little bare dirt areas. There we go. In case a big shower came, so I get the minimize that washout. So I'm very happy with it. If you have any questions or anything, please comment down below. I'll answer you to help out. So if you want to do a very low cost renovation, I did this video to help you out, especially irrigation. Irrigation is a major key. But if you like the video, like, comment, subscribe, and peace. You have a good one.